The VOLTRX Protein Shaker Bottle has quickly become a favorite among fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals, and for good reason. We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of what users love, and occasionally dislike, about this product. If you own this item, we encourage you to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. One of the standout features of the VOLTRX Protein Shaker Bottle is its powerful blending motor, which uses a patented design to mix protein powders and meal replacement shakes in just 15 seconds. Users consistently praise the bottle for its ability to create smooth, lump-free drinks, even with thicker powders. However, it's important to note that this is a mixer, not a blender. It's not designed to chop fruits or crush ice, and heavier ingredients like peanut butter may struggle unless pre-thinned. For best results, users recommend adding liquid first before powder and leaving some space at the top to prevent overflow during mixing. Another highlight is its leak-proof design. Many reviewers appreciate how tightly the cap screws on, ensuring no spills even when tossed into a gym bag or carried around during daily activities. The bottle is made from BPA-free materials, which adds an eco-friendly touch while ensuring safety for users. Its detachable parts make cleaning straightforward, whether by hand or in the dishwasher. However, users emphasize cleaning promptly after use to avoid dried residue. Battery life is another area where the VOLTRX Protein Shaker Bottle excels. With up to 120 uses per charge, many users report going weeks without needing to recharge. The USB-C charging port and included cable make it convenient to power up when needed. Some reviewers noted that charging daily might be necessary if used heavily, but overall, the battery performance is impressive. The bottle's quiet operation is a welcome feature for those who prefer not to draw attention during their fitness routines or while at work. Its durable plastic construction can withstand regular use without cracking or leaking, making it ideal for active lifestyles. Users have also commented on its sleek design and aesthetic appeal, noting that it looks cool while being functional. Customer service from VOLTRX has received high praise as well. Several reviewers shared experiences of receiving prompt replacements under warranty when issues arose with charging or other aspects of the product. This level of support has left many users feeling confident in their purchase and loyal to the brand. Despite its many strengths, there are a few limitations worth noting. As mentioned earlier, the mixer struggles with solid ingredients like fruits or unthinned peanut butter. Some users found they needed to run the mixer twice for thicker shakes or when exceeding the maximum fill line. Additionally, while most users find it easy to clean, forgetting to unscrew the base before rinsing can lead to complications with the battery compartment. Overall, the VOLTRX Protein Shaker Bottle is highly recommended for anyone looking for a convenient way to mix protein shakes and meal replacements. It's affordable compared to other premium options and delivers excellent performance for its price point. Whether you're packing it in your gym bag or using it at work, this bottle motivates users to stick to their health routines by making preparation simple and enjoyable. If you're interested in purchasing this product or learning more about it, you can find it via the link in the description. Supporting our channel by using this link helps us continue providing detailed reviews like this one. We hope this review has been helpful in highlighting both the pros and cons of the VOLTRX Protein Shaker Bottle based on user feedback from across the internet. If you've tried this product yourself, please share your experience in the comments below. It could make all the difference for someone considering their next purchase.